Hey guys, Nate here with Nate's Interactive Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to use Seafoam motor treatment to flush your engine, and I can't wait for you guys to see these results. Now, after showing you what Seafoam did to our engine before and after, we'll show you how we achieved those results. Let's start by removing the valve cover, and we'll show you how bad this buildup really is. Can Seafoam motor treatment stop a knocking or ticking engine, or even raise your oil pressure? Find out by watching my previous videos. I heated this engine and motor oil to extremely hot temperatures in order to test a number of engine oil flushes. It's time to show you the method I used to obtain these results, so I'll go ahead and reinstall this valve cover. Be sure and let us know what engine oil you'd like to see next and what can we do to improve the test. We're going to also answer one important question. Is flushing your engine oil safe? Well, you're going to find out. I'm going to allow this engine to run for 12 hours, then I'm going to apply a heavy load. But we'll go ahead and show you guys just how to use Seafoam motor treatment. Add to crankcase oil. Seafoam helps keep your engine running clean by removing harmful oil residue and deposits that can restrict oil flow and engine lubrication. Directions: add 1 ounce for each quart. Would you like to use Seafoam motor treatment to clean your intake valves on a direct injection engine or GDI, even a port injection engine? Well, you can do all three. That's right. Check out one of my previous videos where I tested this as well. Now we'll go ahead and use a measurement instrument in order to get the exact amount of Seafoam for this small engine. I'll remove the oil dipstick, then I'll use the syringe full of Seafoam to add it to the oil. I'm starting to get really excited to see how all this turns out and for you guys to see just what Seafoam did to my engine. We're starting the engine and it's going to stop in 12 hours. No visible exhaust smoke. As you can see, there's a strong engine vibration. The test is almost finished. As you guys can see, it's dark outside, and I'm ready to pull this valve cover off and show you just what happened. Well guys, this was a really fun test, and I'm glad you suggested it, but it's time to check out these results. I want to take a moment to thank you for watching these videos, subscribing, commenting, liking. Everything you do is greatly appreciated. And as always, I want to thank you guys for watching Nate's Interactive Auto and reaching 10,000 subscribers.